Hi, welcome to Tutorial. Yes, Tutorial for learning IT and English language with Udemy, YouTube, Blogger like that, Facebook and Twitter. Yes, here you can learn ESL, English as a second language, and IT tech. Yes, IT technology. You can learn here those things, and you can search my pages with Tutorial. Yes, Udemy, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Blogger, Instagram, Pinterest, and my website. You can search with Tutorial. Hi, welcome to Tutorial. In this lesson, we are going to see about how to create a business Facebook page. Yes, business brand or audio. Yes, so we have already created our profile page. This is my profile page here. If you want to create, after creating profile page, here goes here. Yes, there is something already we have created, so you can create once again. So I'm going to manage page, or I'm going to do a new page one. Yes, in this manage page, in this page there already I have tutorial page. It is a business page, but once again I'm going to create a new one for you. Just click on this button. Yes, create a page. This is a connect your business yourself on your course to the worldwide community of people on Facebook. To get it started, choose a page category. There are two categories: business or brand. This is a business page. If you want to communicate your public figures, you can select this one. Or if you want a business or brand page, yes, select this one and click on it. Yes, business or brand. Connect with your customers, grow your audience, and showcase your products with a free business page. This is a free business page. Yes, here you have to give your page name. Yes, any name you can give it. I'm going to give some name like that. I'm going to already have tutorial, that's why I'm select this name Re. After that, you have to select a category to describe your page. There are so many things. If you want to, you can select anything. I am going to there are so many things: news and media, website, advertising, marketing. Is I'm going to select this one: advertising or marketing. Yes, I have selected. After that, I can give my addresses. Streets. There are city, country, postal code, then phone numbers. If you want, yes, you can give here. Or other, don't show my address. If you want, don't show, click on it and continue this one. But you have to select these things, you can't leave it. Yes, I'm going to doing. Yes, here is, I'm going to give this name and country or city, anything else. I'm going to give this name, and after that I'm going to select and postal code also there. Yes, you can give, and it is optional. Phone number, continue. Is going on. Yes, here is the page. Add a profile picture. Here you can profile picture. Help people to find your page by adding a photo. Yes, here is the button. Select one picture. Yes, I'm going to select. There are so many things. I'm going to select one of my profile pictures in my logo. Yes, and then upload a cover page. After that, you have to upload a cover page. Yes, it is also, I'm going to, yes, this one I'm going to. After that, here is the get online booking through Facebook. Do you want to add Facebook's free appointment booking tool to a page? Yes, if you want, you can add here, or you can click not now. I am going to click on it, not now. Wow, here is my branded business pages is ready. Oh, that's all. Very simple. Just set your page up for success. You need your friends to like your page so they can help you spread the word about your business. So that's all. This is the page. That's all. Here you can add your button, and there are so many things you can add a lot of things. Just scroll down and select them. There are so many friends, you can invite them. Upcoming events, your profile pictures, and also there are so many profile pictures, also call page also there. You can add new buttons. There are so many buttons. In next video we will see those of things. So okay, that's all. They're very simple. Creating our Facebook business page. That's all. Let's see next. After creating your business page, you have to customize something. Yes, here is the automatic response to new message. You do not need, close it. And here is the like, follow and share buttons. After there is 3 dot, click on it. And here is the edit page info, views, insight, view as a page visitor, created, creative one, create group, administer, create page, pins to source codes, like as your page, invite friends, create milestone. There are so many things, so you have to edit your page info. So let's click on it and your page will come. Yes, after that there are edit your details. There is in general there is a description. You have to give a description, and after giving a description like that, and save change like that. And categories, already I have given advertising, marketing. If you want anything else, you can change it like that. If you want to give your phone number, you can give your phone number, and you select your country code like that. And yes, you can give an extension. It is optional. If you want to, my page doesn't have phone number, so if you don't have phone number, you can click on it and save it like that. You can do so many things. And if you have website, and give a website URL. If you don't have, click on it and save it like that. You can go. And if you have email, yes, you have should give here your email address. If you don't have, you can click on it and save it. And like that, there is my address, and you can give your address, or drag and like that. There are so many options. You can give your address, and the service areas also there here. That's all. After that, there are contact details, location, hours, more, and click on it, contact details. There is also phone number, the same things. That's all. If you have any selling goods, you can give your price range and your privacy policy, all of things you can give. And there are so many things in your more button. There are impressions, and there are so many. That's all. General, contact, location, hours, and more. That's all. After edit it, close it. That's all. It's very simple. Oh, so yes, discard changes and close the page. That's all. Very simple.